tell by your mood tonight that you have something to confide. You don't want to tell me, that's fine. We can just sit here and rumble awkwardly, just school days, all friends, politics, nothing changed. Mates, we've known each other since we were kids, but some things I can forgive. Sometimes love just ain't good enough. Sometimes love can take a little too much. The shadows underneath her left eye hidden with makeup, but on your mind, just her blue leg tattoo. Was I not supposed to see the loss you promised you'd show? But just look at her face. Don't try to save the ship there. So get up right now. You can let yourself out. You can't forget. You ever knew me. Sometimes love just ain't good enough. Sometimes love can take a little too much. Yes, she came here last night to get away. Tell me, what would you do if you were the days that you